Hi guys, today I am going to be testing a common fidget spinner. Looks exactly like this versus an egg. And these are the really fragile eggs, and I'm not going to be surprised what's going to happen. I'm not going to be surprised if it explodes or if it just cracks it and busts it. Okay, and I will be seeing you in a minute when I get everything set up. Alright guys, I got it all set up. I only got just a simple set. Sorry guys, that was my dad. He was wondering what I was doing. But, alright, we're going to get into this. The only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spin the spinner as fast as I can. And I'm just going to drop it on the egg and just see what happens. Alright, I'll catch you back when I get it all set up and everything. Alright, I got the fidget spinner going. Doesn't look that fast on the camera, but it's going really fast. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, that was pretty surprising. I mean, didn't really do nothing. This is all it done. Alright, I'm going to spin it again, and we're going to see what happens if I hit it again. Alright, guys, it's going pretty fast. Alright! Alright, it's going here. Let me get it back going. Oh, it's going really fast. Now, I'm going to go ahead and drop it, and we'll see what happens. Yep. He aggravates me so much. Well, the fidget spinner went in the egg. Okay, it did. That's what it done last time and now. I'm just going to drop it on it again just to see what happens. Alright, it's going pretty fast. Let's drill it. Okay, that was weird. I dropped the spinner on the egg and it just burst. So this is what happened right here.